Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about 30 days challenge. It's a kind of a diet program. Before then, we're going to talk about housekeeping. When you say housekeeping in your home, what do you do? Put things in order to make sure things are okay, things are working fine in your home. You sweep up things, tidy, and put them in place. Same way we are going to do housekeeping in our body. What do I mean by that? You have to go for a medical check for you to embark on this 30 days challenge. I'm going to list out the things you're going to run as a test when you go to the medical lab. And they are: 1, blood pressure. You have to go and check your blood pressure to make sure it's okay. You check your resting pulse. Check your fasting blood sugar. Check your serum cholesterol. Check your body weight, your height, so you can get your body mass index. You also do your kidney, liver function tests, do your urine and stool tests. All these tests that I mentioned now, you have to run these tests before you embark on this 30 days challenge to be sure you're fit to go on it. Now, I'll also let you know some of the things you are going to avoid. We have the do's and don'ts. So I'll start with the don'ts. First of all, we have to eliminate all cow milk and dairy products. So ask me, what will I take? You can replace it with your vegetable milk. We have almond milk, we have coconut milk, and so many others. The next one is to avoid all processed foods. We have the processed meat. Avoid them. Another one you're going to avoid is white flour products, processed white flour products. What do I mean by this? We have the white bread, we have our meat pies, we have our donuts, we have some of our burgers. If you must eat them, they must be whole grain. Another thing you're going to reduce is refined sugar. Packaged fruit juices and other preservatives that are not good for our body. The next thing you're going to avoid is M.S.G. M.S.G means monosodium glutamate. That's what they use in making some of the seasonings. It's not good for our body. I'll also advise you on some of the things you can do that will help you to maintain a healthy body. And they are: 1, exercise on a regular basis, at least 30 minutes a day. If you want to snack on nuts, vegetables, fruits. Avoid peanuts, it's not too good. Excess of it is not good. Cashew nut is better. You have almond nuts, you have walnuts, and so many other nuts. They are good for snacking. The next one is your rest. Make sure you sleep minimum of 6 hours on a daily basis. Go to bed at least 10 p.m. You can wake up from 4 a.m. or later than that. From 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. gives you your 6 hours, because between 10 p.m. and then 2 a.m. is when the organ's supposed to be resting. Another thing you're going to do is to drink regular water. Drink enough water, at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It will help you to eliminate some of the wastes. It's either you wee it out or you sweat it out. But you need to take enough fluid into your system. Another way you can help keep your body healthy is to get enough fresh air. Avoid staying all the time in an air-conditioned place. It can be your car, it can be your house, it can be your office. Make sure you make conscious effort to go outside to get fresh air. Enjoy the sunshine to get the vitamin D. You're not paying for this. Why paying for vitamin D tablets if you can get it naturally, if I may ask? Another one is to maintain a positive outlook and also have an attitude of gratitude. Everything goes together. They are all part of healthy living. The next episode we're going to talk about is the practical aspect of a 30 days challenge. I'm going to show you or tell you or suggest to you some of the things you eat for your breakfast, for your lunch, and your supper. Thank you very much.